There is nothing wrong with your TV. This is a common problem with many hot tubs across the country.
I present to you Ocare.
Chlorine levels go up and down in a hot tub. And when they're down, there's no protection. Ocare will protect your hot tub 24/7 against sediment buildup. Add Ocare once a week to ensure clean pipes and to protect components such as pumps and heaters to stand the test of time. Ocare is a 2-compound formula, so an Ocare box contains 2 different bottles, number 1 and number 2.
We are so confident in the Ocare product that we are giving a free pack with every installation that we do. We are confident that it will bring crystal clear water as well as peace of mind with your water chemistry. We are so confident in the Ocare product that we're willing to double your pump warranty if you sign up on day 1. What are you waiting for?